So you're probably wondering, what are the three camera movements? Well, these three are crane, which moves up and down, truck, which moves left and right, and dolly, which moves forward and backward. So how are these movements different from the lens movements? Well, instead of only adjusting the lens on a camera, these movements require the entire camera to be moved. Now, let's look at a few examples, starting with crane. Crane can be used in many different ways. It can be used to follow a character as they pick up something from the ground, or it can show what they're looking at. It can also be used to add dramatic effect to movements, like a powerful kick in the air. Another great use is revealing a character. As the camera slowly moves up, we, as the audience, anticipate who it could be. Up next, we have truck. Truck can be used to follow a person walking, or it can be used to track along a line. It can also be used for moving objects, like in this example, where a paper ball is being passed from one character to another. Another use is revealing what a character is doing, such as peeking around the corner. Now up last, we have dolly. Dolly is a movement most are already familiar with, even if they don't realize it. If you play first-person video games, you are essentially the camera moving forward and backward. In film, dolly can follow a character's movements, like walking or going through a door. It can also build suspense. You could have the camera slowly creeping towards a shaky door handle. Now that you know the three camera movements, try and see how you can implement these into your videos. Or watch film and see how much more you notice these movements. Remember to always be creative and have fun. Now it's time for the bonus shot!